Hey guys, today. Sorry, I got hiccups. Hey guys, today we're gonna be doing. Kira, what happens if you get hiccups? Kira, what?
Huh?
What happens if you get hiccups?
That means you grow.
Huh?
That means you're growing.
Yes.
And you drink a lot of water too. So that makes hiccups.
That means I'm growing too. Let's see. Watch me grow. Watch me grow, Kira.
I'm watching.
Wait, did you get hiccups and you grow like that?
Yep.
How did you grow like that? I can't let me go check the mirror. Yes, I'm getting. Do not. Okay, I'm done growing. Do you have to drink water so the hiccups can go away? Do you have to drink water so the hiccups can go away? Do we have to drink water so the hiccups can go away?
No. You're going to keep drinking water and it's going to be more hiccups.
Who would
I know you said you drank a whole cup of water.
But what do you have to drink?
Nothing. It's going to go away.
In the morning?
No.
Then when is it going to?
Just give it some time. It's going to go away.
Is it almost going away?
I don't know, Zayda. You know.
Watch me grow.
I'm watching.
Watch. Did you see me?
This your first time having hiccups?
No, that is my fourth time. Did you see me grow? Like you?
You're so interested in your hiccups.
What is in my hiccups?
I don't know. I say you're interested in your hiccups. You don't know what that means.
I think it means star?
No. Forget it.
Do you have to keep burping so the hiccups can go away?
No, they don't.
Sorry!
I'm putting my headphones in so I can hear you.
Huh?
Huh?
What'd you say?
I'm putting my headphones in so I'm not going to hear you.
What if you see my mouth open? Hiccups! Wait. Watch me. Watch me grow. I'm doing a vlog. Dude, what work up? I guess I'll say I'm waiting to be. So that means that's not gonna pick me up. Remember, you keep picking me
I
up.
can't hear you.
Take your earphones off.
What?
Remember, I picked you up.
You picked me up?
No, I meant you. You picked me up.
When?
That day when I was ready to go. I'm talking about when I left Dad's house.
Yeah, I can't pick you up. What about it?
How long is it gonna take?
Oh, you wanna go to Dad's house?
No. I wanna know how is it gonna take me to go to get big. Hiccup. Okay. I'm so really gonna see. I can't. Hey, Bill Dizzy.
You put my headphones back in.
Okay.
Okay.
I think I'm done the hiccups. Okay, no, I'm not. Ah!